In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using QuickBooks Online, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen is for, and how to record basic income and expenses using the same menus you see on your own dashboard. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account using your preferred web browser. After you log in, you'll land on the home page. This is your business overview, where you can monitor key trends like income, expenses, and cash flow. Think of it as your command center. You can always return here to gauge how things are going at a glance. Next, look to the top right and click the gear icon, which is your settings menu. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Account and Settings. Take a moment to review your company info. Make sure your legal business name, business type, address, fiscal year, and standard contact details are accurate. These details flow onto your invoices and reports, so accuracy here saves time later. When everything looks good, click Save, and then Done to return. From the same gear icon, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the backbone of your bookkeeping. The list of categories QuickBooks uses to track what you earn, spend, own, and owe. Review the existing accounts and confirm they match how your business operates. For example, ensure your bank accounts, credit cards, sales income categories, and typical expense categories make sense for your products or services. If the names are clear to you and the list reflects your activity, you're in good shape. Click Done when you're finished reviewing. Now head to the Create button at the top, marked with a plus sign. Under Customers, choose Invoice to record income you're billing to clients. Under Suppliers, choose Expense to record money your business spends. In either form, fill in the required fields: the customer or supplier name, the date, the payment terms or payment account, the product or service or expense category, the amount, and any helpful description. Keep the details specific so reports stay meaningful. When you're finished, click Save and Close. To keep your contacts organized, use the left menu. Open Customers to manage your clients, or Suppliers to manage the businesses you pay. This is where you'll review profiles, balances, and recent activity so everything stays tidy and easy to find. Anytime you want a snapshot of your performance, return to the home page to monitor income and expenses and see how your activity impacts the overall picture. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.